Good morning and welcome to our life. I'm Tina and
I'm Tom here.
we are in Saskatchewan. A very snowy year this year, finally. I'm born and raised in Saskatchewan myself.
I'm from Northern Ontario. I have never seen snow like this, like we've had this year, even back home growing up. So it's been interesting. We run the snow blower, I think it's been every third day now for the last month, getting a workout.
And so is of course snowblower. We also have a firearms repair shop, fully registered as a Canadian firearms business. So we aim to try and get some stuff into our content that helps out the average person when it comes to their firearms. Especially homesteaders that, okay, they've got a couple of guns to do what they need to do on their homestead or their farm, but they may not know a whole bunch about guns.
Or they'll try to fix it themselves, and you've really messed up when you bring it into the shop and I take a look at it, and the 5 words that come out are, "You shouldn't have done that," because that's usually expensive. So, trying to save you a lot of grief and aggravation on that end of the business.
In the homestead end of things, we of course have a garden. We have some chickens. We have a few ducks that we're going to be trading off in the spring. A couple of guard geese. We have done some grower pigs for 2 years now, each summer. We seem to be a cat farm. We grow them really well.
Yeah, we inherited the mother when we moved in here. And now we have about 15 of them.
Yeah, Mama Cat's getting old, but she's still popping out the odd ones. We will be going out to clear a lot of snow today. So we'll get a few shots for you. That's the extent of what I can do today for that.
And should be fun. I think I'm looking at our thermometer on the wall here. It's almost minus 33. So bundle up and try to keep warm as we're out there.
Yeah, and we will see you later. Hey everybody, this would be me sporting the latest high fashion, right? Anyhow, I'm going to flip this camera and just give you a little bit of a look at what we've cleared so far. We may not get it all today because of the direction of the breeze. There is a start on the path to the chicken shed. That is about knee deep on me. At least what's there will support me to walk on top right now. We have a west breeze, so this is pointing straight west, so it's actually really hard for him to clear the snow without getting covered in it. So I will walk you down to where he's working in the driveway and see what we've got cleared there. Got this little bit in here. That's partially done. Again, west breeze doesn't let him clear it. And there he is. Got the driveway, I don't know, halfway done, I think. It's not too bad. It is packed where he drove over it yesterday, though. Now, you probably can't hear me very well, but that's what that's at. It's the height of the snowblower where he's working now. And there we are there. A bit cleared in the driveway and something here. Like, we could build igloos very, very easily with this stuff. It's so hard. Anyhow, I'm going to go put this down and keep on chipping away at that because that's the only way he's going to clear it is with me cutting it up with a shovel. Talk to you after. There we go. I'll just pan it slow. Here we are. You see there, that's where you got the driveway. Tom just had to run to town. And we got this far in. And this here in our backup area is just so hard I could not do anything with it. But That's as far as we got today, so that's how you do sometimes.
Welcome back. It's the end of the day. We got most of our snow clearing done and have more to look forward to tomorrow. We survived it. Not sure how, but we've got another chilly night ahead of us, minus 32, even though it's quite a few hours later. But we've got a nice warm fire on, and we're done for the day as far as everything we needed to do. And
we are so done for the
well,
day.
yes, we're very done.
Kick up our feet, enjoy some a glass of our own home brew.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, my dear. We deserve it. We're both sore.
Yeah, that's another thing we do. We'll probably take you along on
We'll
one of our
probably do one
brewing
of those
journeys.
too at some point. Yeah, we finish this snow clearing job tomorrow, and we get to do it all again on Saturday.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't pack in.
Oh, it will.
It's not supposed to be anything like these last 3 blows.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we might be okay.
Yeah.
It'll be a lot fluffier than what we've been dealing with.
Why does that sound so much like your checks in the mail?
I guess all we can do is wait and see,
Pretty
right?
much. Yeah.
This is the Canadian prairies.
Mm-hmm.
Where people once lived in piano boxes in the winter, and cats froze on the door of the oven.
Mm-hmm. It's Saskatchewan, where quitters never win and winters never quit.
We've come up with our name for the channel,
Mm-hmm.
Homesteading Gunsmith.
Because that's the other thing
That's
we do is
pretty much what we do.
the gunsmithing business, and so I suppose we're going to include some of that. It's just a little bit of the care and feeding of your smoke pole and how not to break them.
Oh, we might get into some of the other fun details as well.
Mm-hmm.
Even some historical items. And
Oh well,
all those little goodies.
Mm-hmm.
Because winters can be long.
Yeah, so reconstructive surgery on some things that we do get in here, and I'm not quite sure how
showing
they
some
still work.
historical pieces as
Oh,
well.
we've got that.
Since we own a few.
Yeah, so we got one or two with the family history, that at least one that goes back in my family over a century. But just sort of a little teaser for the future there.
Hopefully you liked the video, and if you would be so kind as to do the great YouTube member thing and like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you know whenever we post the next video. And have a great night, and we will see you again.
Take care.